I'm going to teach you guys how to earn $600 in 1 hour just by listening to music. This is an easy way to make some money online. Now guys, I do want to tell you that these are real ways to make money online just by listening to music, and if you put in enough work, you can make up to $600, guys, just by doing these two insane methods that I'm going to be showing you today. Yes, and you heard that right. I'm going to be showing you two different ways that you can make money just by listening to music. It's completely insane how much money that you can earn by doing this. Just make sure that you follow along and stay to the end of this video so you can fully understand how to do these two amazing methods, because it's definitely worth your time, and this is some life-changing information. Alright guys, so the first website we're going to be looking at today is called Playlist Push, alright? So Playlist Push is this website where you can simply, you can do a lot of different things. There's a bunch of different artists on here, new and upcoming artists, and you can listen to their music and critique their music, and you can earn a lot of money just by reviewing their music, alright? So as you can see right here, there's different artists, there's different people that can join this platform by being an artist, and then there's other people that can join this platform by being a creator, and that's what we're going to be looking at. But as you can see right here, what do they do? So they're connecting artists to playlist creators. We help independent artists get their music heard, and all that good stuff on playlists, and give creators a way to discover new music. So that's basically what we're going to be doing. So if you're a fan of music and you love listening to music, you'll discover a lot of new music on this platform, right? So let's scroll down. So for artists, so they promote different music by submitting your songs to active playlists to creators. So that's what the artist side do. What they do, they just send songs to the creators, to people like us, and we're going to review their song and just listen to it, and it's very simple and easy to do. And as you can see right here, let's scroll down. So this is what we're really going to be talking about. It's called For Creators, and this is what we're going to be doing on this platform. So we're just going to be reviewing different songs, upcoming artists, and we're just going to get paid just by listening to their songs. And guys, you may like a lot of these songs, so just give it a shot. You may like a lot of the songs. It's new music. And yeah, as you can see right here, get rewarded. So earn money just by listening and reviewing songs. Discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. So that's really cool right there. And then as you can see right here, I want to scroll down a little bit before we really dive into more about this. I want to show you the network. So there's over 970 plus creators on this platform. There's over 23 million listeners, so combined, so that's combined with everything. There's over 5,000 plus campaigns. So as you can see right here, this is a very big platform. It's well organized, it's professional, has been mentioned on big companies. So that's how this is a professional platform. There's other people right here, reviews, Playlist Push really help me and all that good stuff. So a lot of people are saying how this platform really helped them. But anyway guys, let's scroll back up and I'm going to show you exactly where to go. So where you want to go is click right here, become a creator. Now once you click right here, it's going to take us to this page right here. Now guys, we can get paid literally $12 per song that we review and listen to. That's completely insane. And it only takes like 1 to 2 minutes to listen to these songs, and you can earn a lot of money by doing this. So as you can see right here, get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. And all that good stuff, guys. As you can see right here, to qualify as a creator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that the easy way. And you don't need a lot of followers. You just need to make, a playlist. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, right? But anyway, getting paid up to $12 per song is completely insane if you ask me. And as you can see right here, support indie artists, so support different upcoming artists, and then you get instant payouts through PayPal or to your bank account. So that's really cool right there. And yeah, it's very simple and easy to do. So like I said, alright, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, but click the sign up button right here, and basically this is completely worldwide, alright? So this is available worldwide, any country, anyone can do this. Look at this. This is worldwide. Like literally everyone could do this, right? So, I know I get like a lot of people in the comment section. They're always like, "Oh, Apostle, we need more worldwide methods. We need more, methods in this country, that country, and so on." And I'm like, okay. So that's what I plan on doing, and just making more videos and more methods available for everyone, right? But anyway, as you can see right here, so how many followers do you need? So to become a creator, like it said, you do need, a playlist. Now, you don't want to click that. You do want to click this one, 0 to 400, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You don't need a lot of subscribers. You don't need anything like that, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get easy subscribers. But guys, I do want to tell you guys how actually this looks. So, like I said, the songs are like 1 minute to 2 minutes, so let's type in $12 that you can get per song song in 60 minutes, right? So in 1 hour, you can earn up to $720. Now, you can earn a little bit less than that, if the song is a little bit longer, 1 minute and 30 seconds, and so on and so on. But you can earn a lot of money by doing this, guys. It's completely insane, like I said. So there's just a little, simple math for you that shows you that you can make a lot of money by doing this. Now, guys, I do want to, show you exactly how to get traffic to your playlist. Now, you can learn something called SEO, and you can do this on YouTube. This is a fast way to get, some easy traffic, fast traffic, and I'm going to show you an even faster way to just get some, quick followers, and they have to be real and organic followers, guys, so you can't fake your followers, all right? So you can use YouTube. You can just type in, you can use SEO to get traffic to your playlist, and it's very simple and easy to do. Or you can use a platform called Quora and answer different questions, and you can easily get some followers by doing Quora. So this is a question answering platform. It's very simple and easy to do. All you do is answer simple questions, and you can link it to your playlist or something like that, and you can get a lot of traffic by doing this. Now, also, guys, you can do forums. You can do Facebook groups, and you can do different pages like that. So, and also you can even do Reddit too. So there's plenty of traffic sources that you can use, guys. And like I said, you don't need just make a playlist, and you don't need like a lot of followers at all. Just get a couple of them, and then you should be okay. Like I said, you can use Facebook groups, forums, Reddit. You can use Quora. You can use YouTube. You can use anything. You can use your social media platforms and just tell people to subscribe to you or whatever. Like, that's all you have to do. It's completely easy to do, guys. You can tell a friend or something. It's very simple and easy to do. Now, that is exactly how you do it, and this is definitely worth taking a little time out of your day to do, because you can earn up to $12 per song, and you can get paid a lot of money by doing this. This is a great side hustle, and you can get paid a lot of money. Now, guys, this is the whole method right here. YouTube, Quora, Facebook, Reddit. And if you want to take it a step further, you can even make a website around it to even be more professional. If you wanted to do that, there's lots of different things that you can do to get traffic. I'm just naming, a few of them out. Leave a comment below if you have any more names or any more traffic sources that you want to use. Oh yeah, Instagram. You can use Instagram too. Like I said, any social media platform, guys, you can use. So it does not matter. Just pick one, and you can get a lot of traffic. And like I said, it's definitely worth it. Now, I did say at the beginning of this video that I have another website for you guys to use that you can make a lot of money by listening to music, and I'm about to show you it right now. So here's the, last website in this video, or the website that I'm going to be showing you that you can make, money just by listening to music. Now, you can't earn as much money as the last website, but you can still earn a lot of money by doing this, guys. You can earn still, a lot of money. So as you can see right here, it's called We Localize. So type into the Google search We Localize Music. Just type that in. Make sure you type it in We Localize Music, or it will pop up like a different website. So you want to make sure that you type in We Localize Music, all right? And then you can click on that website, and it will take you to this page. Now, what do you do on this platform? All you have to do is listen to music and get paid. You don't have to review anything. Like the other website, you just listen to music and get paid. Now, as you can see right here, step 1, so watch the video above. You can watch that, receive an invitation, download the app, start transcribing. So, it's very simple and easy to do. Now, you can earn up to $4 per song. As you can clearly see right here, $4 per song. You can earn a lot of money by doing this. All you need is a Gmail, Apple ID or iCloud account or whatever, and you can use a computer, or you can use your iPhone, your phone, and then you can select the country right here. So this is completely worldwide. So both of these are worldwide, guys. Just, try them out to see whichever one that you like best, or try out both. It does not matter. They're completely worldwide. Everyone could do this, all right? Everyone in the, everyone watching this video could do this method. And yeah, as you can see right here, do you speak English? So first name, last name, and then you just click register, and that's it. It's just that easy. Basically, guys, this is the whole method right here. Now, if you did make it to the end of the video, basically this is the end of the video. I really do appreciate it. And guys, I just have a little message before I end off this video. So if you want to listen to it, I really appreciate it. Now, basically, guys, I want to tell you that I make videos like this all the time, teaching people how to make money online and how to do this, how to do that. But you will never get anywhere if you're not actually, trying out the methods. Now, it's good to watch a video, but if you actually don't, really try to apply the information that you watched in the video, you will not get anywhere, all right?